Let's cut the BS. If you're not building an AI-based business in 2025, you're literally leaving money on the table. Look, this isn't just another trend, it's the biggest wealth transfer opportunity we've seen in decades. And I'm about to show you exactly how to capitalize on it. Look, I've been in the entrepreneurial game for years, and I've been able to make thousands of dollars per day with my business. And to be honest with you, I've never seen anything like what's happening right now with AI. The tools that used to cost thousands of dollars and require a team of engineers are now available to anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. That's the game changer that most people are still sleeping on. But the people who jump on early will make more money than they've ever seen in their life. What's amazing with AI is that it's democratizing business in a way we've never seen before. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need investor funding. You don't need a fancy degree. All you need is the right strategy and the willingness to take action while everyone else is still, thinking about it. I'm going to break down how you can copy the strategies I've used to make upwards of $2,000, sometimes $3,000 a day with my business. And I'm also going to reveal why 2025 is the year for AI-based businesses. And I'm not sugarcoating anything. The facts are clear. AI tools have finally reached a tipping point where they're accessible to everyone, not just the tech elite. I'm talking about regular people like you and me. In 2026, it won't be too late. It won't be too saturated. Businesses and individuals are desperately looking for AI-powered solutions to save time, cut costs, and get better results. They know they need to adapt, but most don't know how. That is where you come in. Here's the truth most gurus won't tell you. This market is still very early. It's not saturated yet, but I promise you it will be very soon. The window is open right now, but it's not going to stay open forever. By the end of 2025, this opportunity will look completely different. So you may be wondering, okay, that sounds great, but what makes AI-based businesses so damn powerful? First, you can automate tasks that used to take hours or days. You can boost productivity to levels that were never possible before, meaning you make more money while doing less work. Isn't that what literally everyone wants? You can solve real problems faster than any traditional business model allows. This is the unfair advantage. AI enables one-person businesses to operate like 10-person teams. Think about that. You by yourself can now deliver the output that used to require hiring 9 other people. That is leverage at its finest. You're saving hundreds of thousands of dollars a year on hiring people. You can create high-leverage digital products or services that scale without trading your time for money. This isn't about working smarter. It's about completely redefining what's possible for a solo entrepreneur or a small team. AI isn't just another tool in your belt. It's a complete competitive advantage that can put you years ahead of the competition. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. But here's where most people screw everything up. The biggest mistake I see people making is chasing AI trends without solving real problems. They build flashy tools or generate content with no clear value proposition. They get excited about the technology, but forget the fundamentals of business. Let me be crystal clear. The game isn't about using AI just for fun or because it's cool. The game is about using AI to solve painful, urgent problems for real people who will pay good money for these solutions. This brings me to the PTP method. If you want to build a successful AI business in 2025, first, you need to identify a painful, urgent problem that a specific group of people or businesses have. The more painful and urgent, the better. If it's just a nice-to-have solution, you're already losing. Second, you offer a clear transformation or outcome, not just deliverables like, I'll give you 5 AI-generated posts. No one cares about that. They could do it themselves. You provide results like, I'll help you to double your engagement rate using AI-powered content strategies. Can you see the difference? One focuses on what you do, the other focuses on what the customer gets. Third, you charge a premium price, between $1,000 and $5,000 or more, because you're providing real results, not just generic information anyone can find on YouTube for free. This works best with digital products or services like AI-powered consulting or services. And the reason for that is actually quite simple. These can be delivered at scale with minimal overhead once you've built them. Remember, people don't pay for tools, they pay for outcomes. They pay for transformation. They pay for solutions to their biggest problems. Let me give you some concrete examples of PTP AI-based businesses you could start in 2025. First, AI sales funnels. Imagine building high-converting, automated sales funnels for businesses using AI copywriting and design tools. The pain is clear. Most businesses struggle with creating effective sales funnels, and they're losing a lot of money every day because of it. The transformation is increased revenue and more qualified leads. When it comes to price, you could easily charge $2,000 to $5,000 per funnel. Why? Because if it works, it will pay for itself many times over. Second, AI-generated course creation. You can help creators to package and to launch digital courses faster with AI support. The pain is the time and expertise it takes to structure, outline, and create course materials for them. The transformation they get is getting their knowledge to market faster and starting to make more money faster from their expertise. For that, the price can literally be $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per course package. Third, AI-powered market research. Offer niche research reports, trend analysis, and product positioning using AI. The pain is that businesses need deep insights, but maybe can't afford traditional market research firms that charge tens of thousands. The transformation they get is making better strategic decisions based on solid data. The price can be $1,500 to $3,000 per research package. Fourth, AI automation services. Set up automation for busy solopreneurs and small teams. Think emails, onboarding, follow-ups, and other repetitive tasks. The pain is the time wasted on these tasks that could be spent on high-value activities. The transformation is getting hours of their life back every week. The price can be $2,000 to $4,000 for a complete automation system. Fifth, content repurposing agency. You can turn long-form content like podcasts or YouTube videos into clips, blogs, social media posts, and more using AI. The pain that your customers are facing is that creating content for multiple platforms can be very time-consuming, and nobody wants to do that. The transformation they get is maximum reach and engagement, more money from existing content with minimal additional effort. The price can be $1,000 to $2,000 per month for ongoing content repurposing. 6. AI personalized coaching or consulting. You can combine your knowledge or passions with AI-generated plans, resources, or workflows. The pain is that generic advice doesn't address specific situations. The transformation is faster results through personalized strategies. The price can be $1,000 to $5,000 and more for coaching programs. So why do AI businesses win in 2025? Because these businesses are faster to build, lean, and scalable. There's no inventory, no shipping, no massive team needed. You don't need an audience at all. You can launch in weeks, not months. The best part about this approach is that you build once and you sell over and over again. You're helping people to solve big problems, and they're happy to pay you for it because the value is obvious. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. But here's the hard truth. You need to start now, not next month, not when you feel ready. The early movers are already building credibility, collecting testimonials, and establishing trust in these spaces. Saturation is coming. That's just the reality of any good opportunity. And when it arrives, the quality of solutions will start to drop fast as everyone rushes to make a quick buck without understanding how to deliver real value. You need to position yourself as a trusted expert now, before the AI gold rush crowd floods the market with junk. The people who establish themselves early, who start today, will have a massive advantage when the market gets crowded. In any market, only 20% of the players get 80% of the pie. It's usually the people who start right now, when the opportunity is still early. That's why right now is the best time to start. This pattern play out in every major shift, from the early days of social media marketing, to e-commerce, to digital products. The people who jumped in early, even if they weren't perfect, ended up building the most sustainable, profitable businesses. Don't overthink this. The technology is ready. The market is hungry. The opportunity is clear. The only question is whether you'll be one of the people who takes action or one of the people who keeps waiting for the perfect moment that literally never comes. This is the year to build something smart, fast, and scalable. The PTP method gives you the blueprint. Now it's time to take action. while everyone else is debating whether AI is the future, you can be building a business that's already profiting from it. As always, the choice is yours. But I can tell you from my experience, 2 years from now, the people who started AI-based businesses in 2025 will be the ones everyone is trying to copy and learn from, because they will be the ones printing money on demand. Now, this is just a simple YouTube video. I can't really go too in-depth here, which is why if you want to learn how I've been able to build a $1,000 plus business using AI before it gets saturated by still being early in the game, I've made a free video training that will show you exactly how. You can click on the link in the description below, but be quick because I don't know for how long I'm going to keep sharing this stuff for free. With that being said, I'll see you on the other side.